Welcome everybody to our quick little mini review lessons on quotation marks. Now, quotation marks is something that you've been working on for a long time, even in our class here. I just wanted to do a little bit of review for them just to make sure that everybody is completely 120% on the same page and ready to go and move forward with them. So, direct quotations are words that people speak. A direct quote is the words a person speaks. Put quotation marks at the beginning and end of the speaker's exact words. Our quotation marks look like two little hooks before and after somebody's words, things that they are speaking or saying out loud. "You're on my foot," said Tina. Notice that before our quotation marks end, we always have that punctuation. Okay, the punctuation is added before our quotation marks end. "Oh, sorry, comma," replied Chuck. Okay, so our quotation marks, remember, they go around the dialogue. They go around the words that somebody is speaking out loud. The rest of the sentence are our source words. It's the source of the quotation. In this sentence, the source is Tina. Tina is the source because she is the one saying, "You're on my foot." "Oh, sorry," replied Chuck. In this sentence, Chuck is the source of these quotes. He is the one saying, "Oh, sorry." So he is the source of these quotation marks. All right, in this activity, 1 through 8, all you are doing is writing down what each person might say. So you are coming up with their quotes. Notice that you already have punctuation inside of the quotation mark, so you don't need to add that. And make sure that your punctuation is going to match with what you are actually saying. So for example, you're not going to have anything ending with an exclamation point in this sentence or in this sentence because, one, you already have a comma, you already have a period, okay? So let's add something here. Something that Mom would say as I leave for school might be, "Make sure you have your lunchbox," Mom said as I left for school. Something that the principal might say might be, "Welcome to school today." Okay? You have to determine what that principal is going to say and then write it in the quotation marks. That's all you're doing for this activity. Continue on 2 through 8.